Okay, so in this video we will see two new covers for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. We have here a clear cover and we have here a clear protective cover for the Galaxy S21 Ultra and S21 Ultra 5G. And this is the S21 Ultra 5G. So we will put these covers on to see the difference between the protective cover and the clear cover. So let's start with the clear cover. And we will unbox this first. Ordinary packaging for the cover. We have some instructions. And here is the cover itself, I think. It's so clear I can't see it. So here we have the clear cover from Samsung. It's an original clear cover from Samsung. And I think we have this plastic protective cover to remove too, like so. Here we see at the bottom, maybe you can see that, but designed by Samsung, made in Vietnam. Looks really nice, really nice. So let's put that on the S21 Ultra 5G. Like so. So this is how the Samsung clear cover for the S21 Ultra looks like when it's on. As you can see, you have USB Type-C and you have the speaker and microphone. And at the top you have the microphones. And on the back we have the camera module, as you can see. And on the sides we have the volume rocker and power button. And the one thing I don't like with these kinds of covers is that the S21 Ultra has a curved display, as you can see on the sides, but the case goes over that edge. So, and that is because you could have the phone like this when you want, and then it's protected when you have this like this. The edge here is above the phone itself. But I think that's quite annoying when you're doing the swiping at the edges. But that is how this case is designed. So that was the clear cover from Samsung. Now let's remove it and try the protective cover. So let's start by unboxing the Samsung clear protective cover for the Galaxy S21 Ultra and the S21 Ultra 5G. This is the protective version. The other cover is the normal clear cover. So let's unbox this thing. Again, very pretty ordinary packaging. And we have the instructions here. And then we have the case itself in the packaging. And here you can see the difference. This protective cover have a protective rubberized bezel around the cover. As you can see here, the difference, the clear cover case and the protective clear cover case. Quite huge difference, as you can see. So this is the protective cover case and the clear cover case. As you can see, it's have a smoked window too, a smoked color. So let's put this on. Much easier to put that on actually than the other. This is pretty nifty. We can have it in a strap if you want. That's nice. I think this is actually better than the normal clear cover. It feels better actually, a bit rugged. Great to have at work. I like the feeling of it. Yes, it feels plastic and rubbery and so on, but anyway, it looks great. I think the smoked color on the back is actually quite good. Fits the camera module quite good in color, and you can see the Samsung logo through. I like that quite much. Really great cover, and I like that you can have it in a strap, and this is a very protective case. Let's remove that. Very nice. So that was the two covers for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Looks nice. And here we have the protective case between the normal clear case. The protective clear case and the normal clear case between each other. And I would prefer having this over this. So this cover looks better and nicer, I think. Looks really great. I would prefer using that. Okay. Bye.